Fussy gussy. Okay. So it looks like I still cannot trade today, which sucks. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Yep, press wrong things. Okay. The good part is that Project X at least allows me in. The bad part is I don't think I can place any trades again. So that sucks, but I guess at least we can re-establish rules and boundaries. Hey, Tomska, are you able to place trades and things? So when I opened it, it said, you know, it basically gave a warning about placing trades before issues have been resolved. Also, why are you awake? Hey, Solly, what's up? How's it going? How's it going? Trade with Akash? What happened? Oh, are you asking what happened yesterday with Top One? So it's to do with the AWS, Amazon web server, yeah? Apparently it was down, Akash, and because of that, couldn't do anything. Hey, David. Good morning. That's amazing. Oh, flip. Anyways, for everyone that could trade yesterday, how was the trading? How was the day? You know, happy, sad, we whooping, we crying. Which one is it? Ah, sorry. Good afternoon to you, Akash. How's it going? What? What the heck is that even? Whoa. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. What? Oh, because obviously yesterday. Okay, that makes sense. I was like, what is this? Wow. I feel like I need to take note of this, but I also feel like I'm gonna get overwhelmed by that. Oh, sorry. Okay, so you can place trades on Top Step. That's good. Was looking at it, then lost connection and couldn't get back in. Probably the best thing ever. Yeah, fair. Oh, nice, David. That's valid. I get it. Chicken sandwiches are good. Oh, damn. Okay, okay. Okay then. Hey, Thomas. Okay, cool. Yeah, see, sometimes it's a blessing in disguise. It's the same as, if I'm not mistaken, the trade I was looking at, and then I wasn't able to place the trade, was for a long. And then I tried to place the trade, and then obviously it just kept going down. So maybe it was just the universe trying to tell us yesterday that actually can't do any trades today. This is wild. I know this isn't a proper gap though. Will it still want to come and fill all of this? I'm not sure. Solly crazy chart. Yeah. Just a little bit. Teeny tiny bit of some craziness going on. Ishot, I'm from South Africa. Scalp, what up? How's it going? How's it going? Oh, damn. I'm sorry, Solly. I forgot. Trade Delicious, hi. How are you? Yavish, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I nearly forgot what I was trading. Yeah, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, and I have ES. I have ES open on the other side. Is this just going to go down now to just fill this gap? Because I know there theoretically isn't a gap in the market here. Boom banana. Yeah. David, you come in here causing rubbish. I love it. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, careful. Careful. If Boom comes into the chart, you know, it's gonna be drama. Mostly between me and him, but still, no, I'm joking. Or am I joking? Come on, thank you. Asia high, cool. Asia low's already been taken out. See, this is going to be really deceiving for me today, but it's fine. Boom, are you able to place trades again? What am I doing? Points of interest. Come on. No, you big annoying thing. Just focus. Thank you. I mean, here's a lot. This is actually a really nice market today for me, for my strategy. Let's see if it continues to be like this. It would have taken me out. No, this would have eventually before it went down. Interesting. Let's see. Need to make notes. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's see where we at. I'm a tiny bit late today. Am I? Yeah, I'm a little bit late today. Okay, I'm sorry, I've missed a bunch. Marzia, hi, how are you? Yeah, well, let's see, Prajan, let's see. Hopefully. I did get like a warning when I opened the charts saying careful placing a trade today. So I'm a little bit cautious. Let's see. Ooh, nice, Akash, that's amazing. Yeah, David, yeah. Yeah. They must just pick their battles wisely, that's all I'm saying. Boom, banana, I was being nice. Kind of. Oh yeah, I was kind of being nice. That's fine. It is what it is. I love take. Who is the mod? I have a few mods. Oh, the mod that David is saying is unhinged. That would be him. Boom. Okay, you're trading gold. Awesome. Top Step X is working for you. Okay, cool. Then it should be fine, right? I hope so. Above, what up? How are you? Oh, you haven't tried take profit yet. Okay, let's see if it allows me to hop into a trade just now. Ooh, okay, Thomas, I'll go have a look. There we go. Yep, that David's here for the funsies, literally. Esquala, hi. Sorry if I Yeah. Sorry if I butchered that. It does, I love tech, I just haven't set them up. Sorry. Dax, hi. I'll just remove the second comment and targeting, let people say what they want. Yeah. Hey, Eddie. So, luckily for me, I think South Africa is the best time or the best place to trade because London markets are open 9 a.m. and New York markets are open like 3:30 p.m. So it's all during the day. So I get to have a proper night's sleep. The only thing I technically miss is the Asia market. I mean, if I woke up early enough, I'd catch the end of the Asia market anyway. So yeah, I must say trading from South Africa is pretty cool. I still get sleep. Everything's during the day. It's awesome. Boom, it really is. It really is nice. Oh, nice, Marcia. Okay, why just watching? You just... yeah. So this is called a downward trend. It will go up from here. Sudden... booch? Ooh, sorry. Where do you think the reversal is going to happen then? Oh, I love tech. That's interesting. Really? Huh. Oh, gosh. David, I don't even... Part of me actually wants to know. I think you need to take a screenshot next time you do that, just by the way. Boom Banana. Let's see, that's the plan. Hey, Rage, how are you? Gonna take trades today, not gonna be scared. Yeah, we got this, we got this. Bitcoin is in the bubble, okay. Asia is a range most times anyway on NQ. Yeah, that's, Leon, that's exactly. So I'm not missing out much. Sorry, I think you guys can confirm. Does my voice sound weird today or is it fine? Are we good? Are we good? Boomby heated. Yeah, he's coming at me today, but it's fine. You know what? You should. You guys must hold me accountable. I need to grow up. I can't be baby trader forever. I need to grow up. I need to start just taking the trades, being more confident in them as well, and saying we have got this. Just not YOLO, but just take the trades. If it's a loss, it is what it is. No one cares. The only frustrating thing is I can't see anything from 1 p.m. my side. So I don't have any of the New York session. I don't have anything, which is not ideal. I can't see where pivotal points are. So this is where you guys can help me out. Can you guys see all that information, by the way? New York Open is 1:30 a.m. for you, Holly. Damn, nope, that's the wrong way. There's my chair. It's a really comfy chair. I mean, could stand up, I guess, but yeah. Hey, Abhishek, I'm good in you. I'm good in you. Kirk, what up? I love tech, thank you. I'm glad I sound at least normal. Kirk, no, South African. Yeah. Oh, Rich, thanks. I'm glad. Ah, Thomas. Thank you. Let me go look. What is that? No. My dog's so upset because it's nice and sunny for once and I couldn't take him for a walk because I've been busy this morning, so he's pissed off at me. Use NQ chart, which pairs that? I'm 16 years old. Should I try trading? No, Diablo, don't try trading at 16 yet. Maybe paper trading, figuring things out, but no. Interesting. Elite trader, you keep deleting your messages. There we go. But if you're asking what pair this is not a pair, this is an asset. This is the MNQ, or the Nasdaq Futures Micros. Okay, boom. Thanks, David. Trading is an online addiction. I mean, Sam, you're not wrong. Dead and bloated. Are you good? Hi, but are you good? Santiago, see, I kind of journal on the chart. I did actually journal yesterday, but then everything happened. You can see I actually wrote a lot more, but apparently this is the only thing that saved. I didn't journal with that trade, but with my previous trades, I do journal everything on the live, on screen, so that I can go back, I can check out every trade, and I can see what comments I've made on them. Roshan, what up? How are you? Oh, David got it. No. My bad. Kirk, kids in school? I do not have kids. Yeah, Sam, but that then is an addiction. Elite trader. Do I want kids? Definitely not right now. Then. Sam, can I read the streams? Learn about OBS from YouTube. Yeah. Oh no, I know how to move everything. I can make this bigger and. Okay, well, let me ask. Stream and chat, would you prefer the chart to be bigger and me to be a little bit smaller in the corner? Yeah, no, maybe. You're asking what lot size I use. It depends on the market, and it depends on a bunch of variables. So it's never a specified lot amount. We are the Maya millionaires. Rage, you are the bestest. I hope you know that. And yes, I said bestest. I'm sticking with it. Zane, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Okay. And I'm sorry, everyone. I feel like we are now witness to the fact that I was not the bully in this case. Boom Banana was the bully, right? Let me guess, Boom. It would be better if I just took myself off the screen and I just put you on the screen, right? Right? Just clarifying quickly. Anyways. Okay, so definitely some rejection going on over here. Let me check out the Discord. Let me quickly pop it here, then I can still... What did I do? Nobody panic. It's fine. Okay, it's missing on anyone shots. Thank you. Thomas, you're amazing. Okay. And the levels, awesome. 259. Cool. Sorry guys. have to make it work today with what we got, right? So let's do this. How much do I use and what's my advice for beginners? So I tend to, if I'm feeling brave, I will make my risk $200. So I have a 1 to 2 hour strat, so then I would gain $400. And advice for beginners is most likely start on a prop firm and just start small and get confident with your strategy, because the discipline and the mental things is the biggest struggle. Let me do this. There we go. Oof, that may have missed me by a freaking tick. Would have had my okay, this isn't the best, but it does have a fair value gap. And let's see if this would have been a win. Like I said, I wouldn't say this was it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. Maybe I must just stop talking. Oh, thanks, Sam. Leon, you're looking for only longs today to all-time high. Damn, okay. The people love boom. Lemon Edits, shout out, hi. Only True Trader, good morning, how are you? Okay, boom, we should put up a poll for what? Zane, I wanted to actually trade gold this morning for the first time. So I'm still new, Zane, so welcome, by the way, hi. So I've only been trading since April, so I'm still new. And I kind of wanted to get good at one asset first before bouncing around a little bit. I had a set goal for yesterday, and obviously yesterday I then couldn't trade due to the AWS being down. So maybe today can be the day when I trade, and then maybe tomorrow I can hop on to the gold to have a look at it. You prefer being passive for long? Okay, correct. So you do the long-term trading. That's awesome. That's fine though. Like I said, everyone has their different trading styles that suits their personality. You know, it's the same as strategies. Not, you know, every strategy theoretically works. It's just if the strategy suits you as a person. Oh, thanks, Zane. You're amazing. I love take $200 is rich for you to be shaking you. I love take how much? Sorry. Do you risk per trade? Listen, I haven't done 200 in a while because of my confidence being a little bit on the floor. But yeah, out of curiosity, what do you do? Trade. You know what I mean. Yeah, used to. I love take. Wait, let me maybe rephrase this. Leon, you're holding a trade for almost a week now. Ooh, nice. And? Is it whoop whoop? We happy with it? Oh, sorry, Zane. Where are you from? Dead and blow to do a trade crypto, very profitable. I haven't traded crypto. Sorry. Sam, you're very funny. Sudden, with regards to what? Sorry. Oh, sorry. You're not talking to me. Never mind. I'm sorry. Okay, so Ray, do you think let's promote live accounts and then prop accounts with the proceeds? This would make stronger traders. Live and prop is so different. I get that, but a lot of the new timers don't want to then blow all of their money. You know, isn't the prop more of a security system? Rage? What do you think? Yeah, right, that can be a debate right there. Just saying. That one could be a little bit of a debate. Okay, see, so this, I don't know if this would have tagged me and I don't know if this would have gotten me, but it would have been a win. So let me maybe focus now. Let's see. Oh, I mean, that's a little bit scary. Stop being scared. Stop being scared. Stop being scared. Stop being scared. Just do it. Stop smell 2. It's not ideal, but it is what it is. And the point is I'm placing it. There was a rejection off of it. Rejected off there. Hoping it wants to come and take this high. Nope, this is gonna be bad. Nope, at least I took it. Right, that was my point. One. It's gonna take me out. I know you guys are yelling at me. I'll read your comments now. I'm aware that this one was dumb, but it's like pulling off a band-aid for me. Boom, understands. Come on, respect it. Pop back up a little bit at least. It's not respecting it enough. Okay. I had a partial. Awesome. Rage, sorry, I did see you sent a super chat. I'll go have a look now. Envy, thanks. I'll take the partial. Let's see, let me make notes of this one. This was not... That was cheeky. That nobody do what I just did. That was very cheeky. I did not have my confluences. That was not an A+ setup at all. Thank heavens for partials and going break even. Whew. And there's a gap. Dora, I'm gonna make notes of this. That was very cheeky. This is not what I normally do. Yeah. Anyways. Point is, so I'm gonna make this a tick and a break-even mark because I'm in the green. Yeah. Rage, let me see what you said, specifically because you even, okay. Put Finn on the video more, really, Rage. Rage, you love Finn so much, and I appreciate that so much. So on the Discord, and no one got back to me. I was actually at the yard yesterday and I had some time and I was like, hello, if anyone's live on the Discord, I'm at the yard. If anyone wants to pop in and I can just take a video and you guys can say hi to Finn live. But no one was there. It made me a little bit sad. Okay, let me quickly see. Sorry. Big Bull, hi, how are you? You want to marry me? I mean, I have to meet you first, my man. Damn. Lighting order markets, but now it's running on hyperflow. Ooh, okay, sudden, interesting. I love take, you mostly scalp, yeah. You try to risk a tight stop now, maybe $50 on average. Okay, I love take, but what's your RR again? Isn't yours like 5R? Don't you have 5R trades? Sam, do I know anyone who's become rich by trading only? I mean, I guess Boom and Thomas. I mean, there's a bunch. Yeah, guys, raise your hands if you guys have become rich from trade. Oh, I'm very scared to say the word rich because people have different ideas of what rich is. So if you guys have become financially free, there we go, from trading. By trading only, sorry, that was the exact question. HT changed the time frame from 15 minutes and the 1 hour for confirmations. Yes, I know that. I will, don't worry. I will double check as well later. Damn. So, shoot. Right, this is there. Damn it, this could have been a 4-hour trade, guys. Sorry, not even 4-hour, maybe is it closer to 5-hour? Yeah, 4.3. Just call it a 4-hour trade. Let's see if it would have gone down to this point. Almost at TP, moved today, Forex trade, no TP, it's still holding down. Leon, do you take partials? Sorry, I'm only going back and reading things now. Do I know any authentic prop accounts under $100? Yeah, Sam, definitely. Literally, especially if, like I said, sorry, I know I push this a lot, but it would be nice to have a little bit more support. If you use my code, there's a lot. If you want a little bit cheaper, I think funding ticks is a little bit more affordable. You can go check it out, Sam, if you want to. I love Tech Protea. Yes, I haven't actually had. Sorry, guys. It's been wild. I didn't have enough time to check out Protea, but I have saved it. NV, what up? Did I catch the blast off? I did not, Clover. Also, hi, Clover. How are you? Broke unlucky. Prop rooms create less strategic traders. Would have been a win. Shoot, this would have been a really good win. Okay, sorry guys, let me quickly just take notes. Let me quickly take notes. Okay. And right even. Okay, so you add stop loss. Trade. Okay. Are we kind of chopping now? A little bit, aren't we? Okay. So nice rejection off this area. Entered stop loss. Okay. That's a little bit frustrating, but it is what it is, I guess. Okay. Sorry. I'm very slow with getting back to you guys. Can you see I'm actually focusing on the charts today? Look at me go. Sam, was it a profit? Sure, I guess. I mean, I'm $9 up, so I guess you can say I'm balling. Anyways. So if she buys at that blue build up, then sells at top, that's a win. Yeah. Rage. I do get it. I really, really do get it. But I'm thinking about... It's so tricky. I hear exactly what you're saying, and Clover, you are correct. You know, it is different when it's your own money. I mean, theoretically, this is your own money. Theoretically, I think you just have to make your mindset that this is your money and you're screwing around with it, but it's fine. Boom Banana, you gotta start upping cons. I know. Point was, I took it, like I said, I even said here, this was not an A+ setup. It was really cheeky. I maybe shouldn't have done that, but it's fine. Jacoby, what up? How are you? Was it a fair value gap? No. Like I said, Sam, this was not an A+ setup at all. That was like bad. Shouldn't have actually taken it, but it's fine. Rage! Oh, you do. Rage, pop me an email and I can send you the Discord link. Were there any pets at the yard? Okay, no. I know what you're talking about, no. Oh, thanks, Sam. I've been waiting for higher R trades where I go in at the extremes. I love Taxi. It's what I've been kind of... Yeah. Thomas? Winning? Sorry, I'm so far behind. I'm so far behind. I'm gonna go back to the recent ones. If I've missed anything super important, I apologize. Maybe just resend it. I was very far behind. I'm sorry. Big shout to gold this morning. Managed to catch your first 1% drop for the session. Ooh, damn, Zar. Also, hi, Zar. How are you doing? You just placed the 3 micro short position. Excellent. I need to come up with my... I say come up with my rules. I do have my rules, but I need to just write them out and stick with them and be a little bit better. But it's fine. Thomas K. Gold has been printing. There we go. Thomas, what happened? I feel like something happened that I've missed. James, this is the NASDAQ futures. Sorry, I have hiccups. Rage, my voice makes you happy. I'm so glad. I'm glad. Okay, you're gonna stack up here long. Okay, you think this is just a bit of a retracement back down before continuation up? This was a really good trade. My model formed. Actually, I would take this. And 100 on miniature. I love take the British accent. You think I have a British accent? Interesting. Only true trader, your TP would be at London High. Mm-hmm. Okay, you basically wait for a swing trade, wait for support or resistance, then go in for the scalp. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I love take. Oh, I think I've asked you this before. Do you market in? If I have asked you this before, I'm so sorry. Amir, so I mean, I don't use a model. I use some concepts from ICT and SMC. No. Oh, thanks, Thomas. Thank you. Thank you. We'll take that low, then continue to go up. Nino M? Hi, by the way. This low here, is this what you're thinking? So it's just basically doing a little bit of a liquidity sweep right now. You maybe put that there. Out of the way of what's happening. Sweet. Oh, Sudden, you're British by birth, so yes, you have the accent. Nice. Casual 9. I'm using top 1 futures. Okay, okay. I was about to check. I was about to say. I was like, never mind. Oh. Seriously? You're waiting 10? Let's see if it takes a direction. Awesome. Casual 9, I don't know. Market orders are scary. I know you're asking tech, but I also do not do market orders. I'm not a fan. Too scary. No thanks. So again. Let's see. Entry at where my stop loss would be. Let's see if this would go up again. Leon, what else do I do other than trading? Live my life. No, I'm joking. How do you know I don't do this? Well, I guess the fact that I'm not profitable yet would be a bit of a hint there, huh? Macro starts in 4 minutes. Let's see. Lord of Blaze, now enter long. That's what I'm looking at. Oh, LP. So you just completed with an inter-trader competition, and the max trade was 3 micros, and I found that range so safe. I'm gonna use it for a month and see if it helps build my account. Amir? Oh no. Amir, I can't see what you said. Let me quickly. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Yeah, guys, if you're enjoying the chaos so far, please don't forget to hit that like button. I'm trying to catch a knife. Long is stupid. Oh, LP. Oh, I don't know if you can. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, LP, I'm so sorry. Rage, if you can hear me, mistakes were made. Apologies. It was an accident. Big accident. Yeah, that's okay. No, you did absolutely nothing wrong. Lord of Blaze, there's our bullish candle. Oh, man. How high is this gonna go though? Is this gonna go all the way up? Is this just... Okay. I need to... Let me double check on Discord where the levels are. Sorry, Thomas. You're amazing, by the way. Thank you for uploading this so I can see things. I appreciate it. Cool. Okay. Got it. It's fine. Would be scary trade to be in G's. Only true trader. Please can I clarify what concept? Oh, Amir. Oh, sorry. So I use fair value gaps, order block, market structure, obviously. And I mean, there's a few that go into it. There's also VWAP. I look for a lot of confluences, and then once I have my confluences for the trade, then I'll set up my GAN. And this is what I'm trying to forward test a little bit. I'm trying to see if my better, I know the better entry would be where my stop loss is. The amount of missed trades, but again, you know, it's a 2-hour trade versus a 4-hour trade. But sorry, this is the debate that goes on in my head. 4-hour trade, obviously a better R. Awesome. However, in the same breath, the amount of times I would get the 4-hour trade, I would probably be able to have 2 of my 2-hour trades, which means I'm up 4R anyways. Sorry, do you see the argument I keep having in my mind? About what's better? Amir, just by the way, you're amazing. Thank you for the super chat. You're super cool. Super duper cool. Ooh, thank you. Oh, do you know what I haven't done, guys? Oh, I haven't done it. I did look, but I haven't done it. I haven't. Sorry, I got distracted. I haven't gone and uploaded the video for you guys to pick the tattoo. I know I'm gonna upset some people here by saying that, but it's fine. I do have, so the one thing that I thought was actually really cool, guys just need to be decent about this. And then Solly, you get your wish with this one, by the way. Like the top, let's say the top, let's go for top 15. Yeah, 15 seems like a lot. And they can make it small. Top 15, choose something that represents them or that they really want. So Solly, you can have your boom banana. And someone said they would pick like a sign for the Mustang because they have 2 Mustangs, or the logo for the Mustang, and you almost make like a cluster art of your top 20 fans' favorite concepts or favorite things or things that represent them. I'm not sure. I thought it could look nice. It could look ridiculous, but it could look really nice. Why are you going to bed, Boom? What happened? That could be a buy. So, Boom, I was looking at, again, this. Just rejecting off this order block, but I guess it's gonna come tap into it again. Losing a little bit of volume though. Lord at Blaze. I did see that. I did see that one, and I know it's because Solly is so determined for this boom banana thing. So this one actually would have been a partial with a break even. This would have been a partial, not a win. I can tell you already I would have taken partial here. Would have hit break even, and it's heading towards TP. Rejecting off here. Problem is, I would have potentially thought this was valid for shorts. Sorry, I'm in my brain. Zane, am I from South Africa? Yes, I am. I'm South African. Hell yeah, Clover, enjoy. Okay, it's gonna fly up. You can feel it. Did your frog? Do you still have your frog? Did your frog tell you that? Be quick down. It's up here. Ooh. Hit a resistance zone on ES. Literally see how I literally tapped into the exact same area and then a little bit of a pushback. Casual 9. Sorry, I didn't see your previous message. I'll have to go back and look. Sorry. Zane, so it's my own little trading strat that I now want to perfect a little bit further, but essentially I need to get out of my head a little bit. So, sweet and simply, range. Go top of the range, bottom of the range. 50% of the range is your entry. And then 30% of the 50% is stop loss, and 2R up is take profit. And I mean, it has like a 40% win rate, which is not bad with the 1 to 2 hour strat. However, it could be a 4-hour strategy. So trying to, yeah. Gecko jab, you'd gamble. Gamble, what? Okay, you're very funny. Uh-huh. Okay, cool. Let's see. Let's see which way this heads now. It's kind of having a little bit of a consolidation over here. Who thinks it's gonna go up? Who thinks it's gonna go down? A casual 9, sorry, no, this is M and Q. Oh, okay, sorry, a casual 9. You have ES and NQ short right now. Rage? Hey, Rage, you're back! Yay! Yeah, you're back! Sorry about that. Sorry. LP says whoopsie. Got it, Thomas. Laura, anyone in gold? There's a few people in gold, Laura. Also, hi, Laura. How you been, by the way? Oh, shoot. There it goes. With how it was acting, I would have thought potentially a short. Let me show you here. Maybe this range. Let's see. So, oh, okay. Let's see. Because, I mean, I'm still waiting for it to potentially take out this liquidity at the 260 zone. Maybe this is it. Huh. Maybe this is it. Macros, a lot of support underneath though. These are really big wicks underneath. BD should go down, but probably will go up. BD, I was thinking down. You know, everything was kind of showing down, but now I'm really not sure. Ooh, okay, Rich. Okay, Thomas, see you later. You made 2 or 1k up. I know I could have done much more, but Diamond hands to paper hands. After my god. Yeah, valid. Okay. Go to bed, Thomas. Do I look at the trend before drawing rate? Yes, Leon. So I wait for confirmation. So that's why I didn't take this, because there's no confirmation yet of which direction we're headed. So that's part of one of the rules. So wait for confirmation of market structure. Then look for confluences. If you have at least 3 confluences, then it's an A+ setup. So like fair value gaps, order blocks, the VWAP being there would be nice. I just don't trust my VWAP because it goes all over the place. Damn, it would have been a win. So this long would have been a win. Again, it wouldn't have actually, I lie, it would have been a partial with a break even. Because it would have popped in, taken the partial, and gone down for break even. Okay. Yaniv, David, I do. I normally go to the 15-minute and 1 hour for confirmation, so let's go have a look then. Please don't have a freak out. Please do not have a freak out right now. Oh no. Anyways, let me answer you guys while we're waiting for this. You're a confluence, you say short. Rage. Oh gosh. Put it all on GameStop. Hey, okay, let me just quiet all of that down. The only problem because of Project X being down is I don't have this. I don't have all this information here. Literally from, sorry, I'm using South Africa time here, but essentially from 1:15 yesterday. So what would that have been? So 7:15 EST time. I have nothing up until Asia high. Asia open, sorry. So I mean, here on the 15-minute, we're looking very bearish right now with this steady climb down. But again, I'm missing some information, so fun. Oh, slow boy. Hi, by the way. Sorry, I didn't say hi earlier. I'm actually really trying to focus today. Can you see? I'm giving myself a little pat on the shoulder. Focus is good. Focus is hard, but focus is good. Ngu, I could not trade yesterday, so no, did not. I've made a tiny bit today though. Yeah, like $9, but still. You know what performed better than GameStop? Build-A-Bear. Build-A-Bear just kind of died down. I don't know how it is overseas, but in South Africa it's just died down. It's just so excessively expensive that no one wants to get in on that. Okay, let me make notes. Let me make notes. And take note. Okay. Sorry, you'll just see random notes all over my chart. So, Rage, are you in a position right now? Or in a short right now, I'm assuming, right? This was my long, like I said, this theoretically would have probably been, yeah, partial and break even. bears. Is this an animal nature channel? Hey, Aries. No. Bulls and bears, welcome to trading. Like I said though. Before April, let's say January, Feb, around then, I didn't even know that up was bullish and down was bearish. I didn't know what candles were, so... Sanjeev, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Candle 9, this music. Are you loving it or hating it? I've heard mixed reviews. I know some people love it, and some people are like, meh. Any peeps who are short, place a $sign in the chat. Yeah, so Rage, you're short. I love tech, I'm 6 foot, I'm not short. Damn, Aries, that was dark as hell. Thank you. It's always disappointing if the VWAP does not get touched. Okay, it's disappointing if you think it's gonna head in one direction and you're so sure of it and then it kind of just goes, no, it does the opposite. Hey Krillin7, thank you, that's very sweet. Welcome to the stream, by the way. I hope you're having a decent time. Again guys, if you are having fun watching the chaos unfold that is this trading journey, please don't forget to press that like button. And if you guys want to support me, if you're with any of the prop firms I'm affiliated with and you want to use my code, that would be amazing. It would be much appreciated. Thank you. I'm in 3 micro short at 274. Oh, okay, where's your stop loss at? Do you have a stop loss set? XDAV. Funny. In ES and NQ shorts. Oh, damn. Do you think it might take out the highs before it drops back down? Rage? What do you think? Okay. There's a lot of support going on around here. These wicks are freaking me out. What does it look like on the 2 minute? It's a bit calmer on the 2 minute. So yesterday, for those of you that were watching yesterday, you would know by the end of the session there was this weird noise. It sounded like rain. It was actually, yeah, there's 2 fiber companies. So I actually do have fiber, but a new one was installing fiber lines, and I feel like they've messed with the Wi-Fi a little bit. I don't know if that's possible. I have no idea, but the Wi-Fi has been very frustrating for the past 2 days. Well, past 2 days since yesterday, and I feel like I have to blame someone, so I'm blaming them. JJ, morning. How are you doing? You'd like 270 on EQ and NQ and 6765 on ES, so you'd like 270. Okay. Aw, yet. Aries, you had me and then you said the yet, and I was like, ah, yep. I double checked on Protea, they don't charge you to become an affiliate. Okay, I love tech. You know what? Let me go have a proper look. Out of curiosity, I know I Love Tech has told me a lot about Protea. Has anyone else heard about Protea? What are the thoughts? Would anyone be keen on trying Protea? ETC, sideways market, Santosh. Right, I believe in having money to afford losses. Ah, Rage! Look at you coming with facts right there. Ooh, check! Into the zone. Sure, there's a hectic supply zone right here. Nah, I think the supply zone's been mitigated now. I think, yep. There we go. Been tapped too many times. I think the sellers are about to win. Hey, hey, Rage. I think the sellers are about to win now. Again, I could be wrong. I definitely am not amazing at this yet. One day when I'm big and strong. Saint, I'm blaming the other fiber company for my Wi-Fi being a little bit slow today. It's like a DJ wiki. Wiki. Anyway. Oh, that was so lame and so cringe. I love tech. Theoretically, I do. Like, I can literally hop onto my phone and I can show you where it says 5G. But my PC doesn't pick it up. Yeah, very weird. Nino M, you're in on the buy. Okay, where's your TP at, Nino? Or are you hoping for it to pop all the way up there? Okay, so with this one, I would have probably taken a partial by now and been break even. So this actually looks like it may have been decent. Damn. Gamer Beast. Hey, Grandma. Hello, young one. What up, young little Padawan? I love tech, and there's a beginner 10k account. Ooh. The unlimited resets is nice. I love tech, but whoa, I feel like I would then just be going a little bit too crazy. I'm not sure. Eston Nobles, hi, welcome. Anyways, how are you? I'm now just waiting for the market to pick any other direction apart from sideways. I know it's very slowly going up. Rage, I'm gonna think down for you. Okay. Ooh, now I'm conflicted because Nino M is in a buy. Maybe it just keeps going sideways and it manages to tap you both. Who knows? Saint, you think the sells are now or never? What? Ooh, remember I said it mitigated it? Maybe it didn't. It's still... whoop. Never mind. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? No? Never mind. I thought the time may have had an impact, but it's a random time. What the heck? What happened now? Why would the wireless 5G be messing with the Wi-Fi though? Yeah. I'm drinking coffee like grandmas do in the morning. I know, I guess grandmas drink tea. Anyways, does this music follow everywhere you go? Everything, no. Yeah, BD, super slow. It's why I'm not getting in on this until I have some confirmation. Listen, I think the point is at least I did place a trade, right? Gotta look at the bright side. I did place a trade. Well, actually, no, sorry. This is the Nasdaq futures. Jordy! Yeah, it is, Jordy. Welcome back. Okay, TPT is a good prop. I don't think we can have TPT, sorry. Touch 270 or below. Ooh, it was, oh my gosh, it was so close. Did it touch? Rage, did it miss you? Or did it touch? Saint, your entry is 25279, okay. Okay, so K thinks it's gonna go up like a rocket. BD thinks the lows are coming in. I love tech, yeah, I'm not, that's the thing, I'm really not sure. Let's see. Bill, you think sell. And I love tech, yeah, but it's not my fiber company, I don't think. It's a new fiber company that was laying new cables down yesterday. Oh, what the? Okay, well done. So you're calling it, you're done for the day. A Rage? Are you a happy chappy right now? Cool. Oh, Nino M. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Don't worry. Been there. Oh, guys. Shoot. Let's see if this would have been a win. Oh my gosh. Why does it low-key look like we're just gonna be ranging again? No, here we go, I think. Galactic Gaming, it'll go into the red and then up. Yeah, I was waiting for it to come and take out the way this little dotted line is. This and then pop up. Here we go. Rage, I can imagine. Whoop whoop. Well done, by the way. To 225. What? BD, you think all the way down there? 214. All the way down there? What? Okay, it'll probably slam down and then fly up. Okay, speed my plan. Gym first, then slaughter New York session. Damn, Jordy, how could you go? Jordy, can you see I am forward testing this. I would have had an entry here. Nope, and I missed it. There we go. I would have had an entry here. So here. I would have been able to take partials. Earlier on, it would have been a good win, by the way. Aha! I was right. I was right. I just didn't take it, but I was still right. Let's just start taking them. Just start taking them, Maya. Stop being a big baby. Okay. So this would have hit TP. I would have been stressing. Stressing. Look how close it was to where my stop loss would have been. Which is not ideal. Okay. There we go. That liquidity has now been taken out. This was intentional. This was very intentional. I think it wants to go back up now. I'm a bit late. What I actually should do. Wait. Yep. I feel like I'm going against the trend if I do this though. Okay, you bought me at the little low there. Jordy, that's actually a good point. Maybe I should... Let me see. Protea sounds quite interesting, I'm not gonna lie. Especially if you have unlimited retests. That's pretty cool. I love South Africans, sorry. Are we sure about it going up? Okay, how am I getting all the other chats? So it's a multi-chat thing called Caster Labs. Hmm. 260 is the bounce level back to the top. It's frustrating because I really wanted to, but check out this. Why does this short look like it's gonna work out really well? There we go. I really thought it would go long now that it took out that liquidity. And this felt like a very intentional move. And then that bounce back up really made me think, I think we're gonna go long now. Hey, how are you? Hey, Hex. Lenio, hi. Yenev, you think it's gonna be going up in the New York session. Respecting the hell out of this area. This is that 260 area. Hey, Rage. Oh, thanks, Saint. Oh, enjoy your night, by the way. Second level at 250. If it doesn't break low, I can look at entering here. As a buy stop. Let's see if it breaks the low now. What? I love take. Are you serious? Birdie is South African based? Ooh, I'm gonna get in on that. You too, Geordie. I mean, look at the volume pushing up, but it's just not going anywhere. I think it wants to shift. Is there CPI today? Ah, for Sundance, I didn't even know. It's respectful to the 260 it is. If it holds above 0.5, maybe a good buy. Let's give it one last see. So I've missed a bunch of messages today, so if I did miss anything, I apologize. The 24th. Where are we at right now? Oh, it's the 21st today. Thank you, Chris, by the way. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So you're not gonna trade until the 24th. Am I rich yet? No, Obi. I still kind of want to call you Obi-Wan Kenobi. Taking out everything here. Real time with obvious correlation between size against volume, and it's always after the fact. That really doesn't help me, actually. I mean, David, that makes sense. That low swap equal lows and then pushes higher. Shouldn't we use that range for the setup? Jordy, that's what I'm thinking. It's what I'm thinking. Buy here and go in. It is respecting. Could be a... You know what? I'm gonna give it a try. Let's just... Stop by. Bigger than earlier. Let's make it 2 contracts. Uh-oh. Why is it not working? Is it being... oh dear. Is it being weird again? Is Project X down again? Shoot. Oh, order placed. Cool. Oh, it didn't tag me in. There we go. I love tech. Interesting. There might be one more push down before it pops up. Leon, no, not yet. So no, alpha is pretty good, no activation fee. Big moves up. Is this a bait flag? Oh, Fred, you got out of the longs and you're now short. You think this is just gonna continue down? There's so much support down there though. It feels dumb maybe being in this. Let's see. It feels like it's stuck between a support and a... what do I call it? My brain's lost words. Resistance, there we go. Support and resistance level. What's my plan when I can't talk to everyone? Okay. Do you mean like... I'm not sure. David. Okay, so Rage, you've switched your bias back to shorts, right? Yeah, Jima, that's valid. Coming at me with facts. Actually, my rules say I shouldn't be trading this until we have some clear momentum in a certain direction. And right now it's just chopping. So, thank you. Thank you. See, I need you guys to call me out sometimes, because sometimes, yes, I then go, oh, maybe the hunches. Hey, Remnant, how are you doing? Welcome back. Sorry, I feel like I've missed a bunch of messages, so if you want me to respond, please just pop me a message. Overwhelmingly downtrend. Okay. I'll buy the same company, less glitchy. Chase resistance. Thank you. Yes, sorry. It's 3 drives to a bottom, then don't trade. Sit on those pretty hands. Gima, you're very funny. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Chris Unknown, sorry. Alpha's pretty good and no activation fee. Is alpha allowed in South Africa? See, I now need to wait for confirmation. It needs to get out of this range. I know this is like ideal for some people, but not for my strategy. So Chima, again, thank you. Sometimes I need to be called out. Boom called me out today, telling me to just be more confident. That's what I'm doing. Down looks pretty with some bows, right? You're very funny. Hey, Remnant, they have, thankfully, I did manage to get in on a little trade this morning. Well, earlier this morning, it is still this morning, but I did manage to get in on a little trade, so that was cool. Phil, you think it's a buy. Why do you think it's a buy, Phil? BD, I should get a straight to funded account from Tradeify. I mean, I don't necessarily have to even use Tradeify. There's a few of my the prop firms I'm affiliated with. that have straight funded options. Cameral, what? By the same company, meaning Project X South Africa? I'm not sure. Oh, got it. Thanks, Chris. Yeah, because I know a lot of, not a lot, but some of the props are not the biggest fans of South Africans. Marzia, you don't know, honestly. Yeah. Oh, Rage! Whoop whoop, that's amazing. Well done. Hey, look at you go. Well done. That's amazing. That is so cool. So this one, no, where was this? That looked like that. Nope, that did not look like that. I lied. That did indeed look like that. That would have popped in and come down. Shoot. If I'd move this there. Sugar honey iced tea. It's just, wow, it needs to get out of this freaking support zone. This is ridiculous. Can we break out now? Thanks. That'll be great. Actually, I should just draw a box. It needs to break out of this box in a direction. Ooh, actually, I'm gonna do that. Let's see. Which way is it gonna break out of this box? It's a coil setup, right? Some people call it a coil, some people call it a flag. Hey, Michael S. Yes, welcome back. Yes, Project X is up and running. They did give a little bit of a warning beforehand, so I was a little bit nervous, but it appears that it's working, so we're good. Okay, yeah. Rage short is so gorgeous. Ooh, take profit trader. Yeah, I don't think they are South African or South African friendly either. Oh no! No! Thanks, Jordy. Thanks for checking it out for me. Protean knowledge base essay is on the prohibited list. I'm going Darvis on us. Oh, damn. Top step X is not really, they're hella expensive. I know, I love take, that sucks. Rage Bev. Leon, I'm affiliated with Funding Chicks, so again, if anyone wants to support me, that would be amazing, and you can just use my code. Just teach Maya. Nice and easy, right? Slowboy, I saw that. Everyone's trade, even the winning ones. That sucks. Imagine you had the best trade of your life, and now all of a sudden, sorry. Like that. 82k in profits deleted. I would lose it. Yeah, I love take. It means that, unfortunately. Okay, is this a fake out? Before we go down? Ooh, it looks like we might be. Okay. EIT or EIT, sorry. Have I looked at gold? I actually wanted to have a look at gold today, but I had a goal for yesterday and obviously I wasn't able to trade yesterday, so I thought, let me do that today and then maybe tomorrow I'll have a look at gold. I've heard gold has just been amazing, so yeah, I'm really keen to have a look at gold. Jordy, yes, funding ticks is bri friendly. Beautiful analogy. Yes, it is bri friendly. Yeah, they wouldn't let me be an affiliate. So all of my prop firms are Briar friendly or South Africa friendly, if you will. Yeah, next, what's my opinion about OneUp? I don't have one, sorry. Oh, no, I lie. I do have one. I lie. They're good. Like I said, all of my props are actually really, really good. I do research. I don't put on props that are meh, if that makes sense. Well, that... From the research I've done, I know some people will have different opinions and some will dislike one, and then someone else will love that one. Galactic, that was the top, okay. Yeah, I might as well guess that's true. Did this low sweep any decent liquidity? So Geordie, yeah. I don't have it on my chart either, but wait, what level was this? 252. Again, shout out to Thomas. He sent a screenshot of the chart. So 252, 252, let's see. I think there's a fair value gap around here. I could be wrong. E-mini Nasdaq. Oh, this is the E-mini Nasdaq. I mean, it doesn't matter. 275, 273. Never mind. It looks like there's also a little bit of missing information around here. That does not help, does it? Not really. Slowboy, no, it actually works for everything. Yeah, obviously very specific market and you have to know the market you're looking for, but it actually works with everything and different time frames as well. You know, again, it's not 100%, but it does work. Hey, Alishai, how are you? Oh, I love tech. Look at you go. That would be cool. On gold throughout session, can of course. Trying out my funded futures after what Top Step pulled yesterday. Oh damn. Slowboy, why my funded future? I've heard they're really good. Again, sorry, I'm just being salty because they're not pro Bryce. Oh well. Mr. Captain Morgan, thanks. I'm waiting for a decision to be made. Sweet and simply, I guess. I'm waiting for it to decide where it's going to go. So out of curiosity, what was I looking at again? I had it like this. Yes. Entry here. I don't know if I would have put probably would have put my stop loss here, to be fair. Oh shoot, watch this go up now. Maybe my hunch was correct. I love tech. You're amazing. I think I need to do like a shout out just for you because you're always there and you always want to support and it's so nice. Yeah, so I love take a massive shout out for always wanting to support and always wanting to use my codes. And if you can't, now saying that you're going to do this, it's really, yeah. Again, I actually can't stress enough how amazing you guys are and how much I appreciate this community. Oh, flip. Okay, I love tech. It looks like Tradeify did the same thing. Removed all the profits from yesterday. No, BD, that's ridiculous. Leon, MFFU is really good. I know, I've heard really good things about them, but I can't have them as an affiliate because they don't support South Africa. So, yeah. Jordy, no, so he's saying Protea does not have hectic rules, which is nice. Ooh, slow boy. That's nice. That is nice. BD, so it sounds like... Oh, flip, I love tech. Which one was it? Top Step. Also removed it from yesterday, yeah. I love tech, you're very sweet. Oh, hello. Am I trading stocks? No, sorry, I'm trading the NASDAQ futures. Oh, cool. That was the fake out. Or was it? Okay, let me just stop guessing and let's wait for confirmation, right? Project X wiped out yesterday's peanut. Oof. BD, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Grandpa, cool. Hi. Oh, Thanos, is it? Oh, flip. So apparently all of them do. Actually, I think Top One also did it. I did see an email saying that they reset everything. Which, yeah. I guess it is fair, right? If you're not gonna keep your losses, you can't keep your win. I guess it's fair. It just sucks. It just sucks. Oh, BD, okay. BD's not letting this slide. Okay, BD, you go get him. You tell me how that goes. Ooh, nice, Thanos. Whoop, whoop. Well done. Oh, nice. Okay. I love tech. So I heard of something yesterday. Let me find the name. I made a note of it. It's called Prop for a Match. Has anyone heard of it? I need to do some research on it, but apparently it can maybe help you find a prop firm that'll work for you. Like I said, I haven't actually done any research on it. Someone just mentioned it and I was like, that sounds interesting. Futures is a scam. I trade the forex and crypto markets. Interesting. Okay. To be fair, people who don't trade think trading is a scam. I've had a few people come on here and say this is a scam. I'm like, okay. Forex is tough. Decentralized markets, yeah. Ooh, okay, Rage. Okay, Rage. So the short not looking so pretty anymore. Oh, nice, Leon. Okay. That's interesting. And then you find one that suits you. I think all me and Geordie, and well, actually any South African would have to do is just put their South African and would wipe out like 90% of them, which sucks, but it's fine. Okay, is this the confirmation? Again, there's so much resistance from this area. Come on, give me something good before time to go. I don't think it is. I love tech. You think Kelly Ann does a good job rating the prop? Okay. John, explain how business PMI affects the alternating session and how we break out of a 33-month lull. John, I cannot. I'm still new to this. You're gonna have to ask someone else in the chat. I'm not here claiming to be a whiz at the charts at all. I'm just here learning and having this amazing community that's helping me learn and, you know, being with me every step of the way. Anyone else have an answer for John? EIT, a good prop firm is take profit trader again. Not South African friendly. I've heard Ulinox is really good. I just know a tad bit expensive. I do know that. Again, I'm actually affiliated with Ulinox, and I can tell you they're having an 81% sale currently, which is pretty cool. You cashed on the shorty. Nice. Oh, true. Rage, yep. So how much you up now, Rage? I'll take one of your best strategies is on a futures. How many strategies do you have, Tech? 25211. Today's high probability long should be taken from 25211. Okay, I'm gonna make a little note here. Okay. Let's see. 1150. Sorry, I butchered it. There we go. Let's see if it does. Again, was this just a little fake out check? It broke out. I'm not convinced about this. What market? So I'm on the, oh, sorry. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. There we go. I'm on Project X as well, if you also wanted to know that. You do a trade on the euro. Okay, I have about 12 strategies that you're testing. Isn't that a lot? How do you know which strategy to use? Or do you just have like rules for every strategy? Is it not overwhelming? Sam, do I make my own food? Yeah, some days. I'm not exactly big on cooking. I'm trying mean revision, discretion, entering on the extreme locals and maxes. Okay. Damn, I love tech. Yeah, 100 Leon, exactly. I was like, Okay, so they're in an Excel sheet. I know, but still, like, on live, how do you then know which one of the 12 to use? Was this, I know you said you're starting with AI, right? Okay, so you're testing with pipe. Okay, got it. Hey, Zabach, what up? How's it going? Maybe this should have been my confirmation. No. Maybe it shouldn't have been my confirmation. See, this is why I can't do the chop. Would have got me. This one, potentially. Let's see if this continues to the upside. There might be one last trade before it goes up higher. It's in this freaking resistance zone again. Sabach, yes. Okay, I love tech. Okay, got it. Got it, okay. Because I was like, damn, 12 is hectic. 12 is hectic. Stacked, sure. Sabach market is sideways. What? Yep. Very, very frustrating. But it's fine. Let's see. Let's see if we actually have something decent now. Oh, Sam. Okay. Next week I'll do a daily thing of a trader. So we're having this discussion last night. Don't yell at me. I know it's bad. Do not yell at me. I forget to eat during the day. So like I've had my coffee and now I'm not hungry. And then after this, I run to the horses and then I'm so busy at the horses that I don't get hungry. And then I come back and then it's New York session. And then it's dinner time. So I basically eat dinner. Yep. So, okay, Leon, why not let one fib range be respected and then you trade the next fib range after the high or low is broken? Or not when it's through pain at all. Interesting. Okay. Leon, that's interesting. So, essentially what you're saying, in a range like today, so how I drew it out earlier, like this, right? Then wait for confirmation in that range and then go, or confirmation of the breakout. Yeah. That it's headed in a specific direction and then place the correct one. Is that kind of what you're saying? So I'm just, it sounds super interesting. I think maybe I'm butchering. Ooh. Resistance level. 1, 2, Holy moly. Got this liquidity, got this order block. This could be good or could be a disaster. I'm gonna try. This might be cheeky though. Could have put 2 contracts. It's not a lot, especially for the amount that's there. If it places them. I would have thought it might have wanted to come back down a little bit lower. Take out this, maybe it won't. No, Wi-Fi's being slow. No, Wi-Fi's being slow. Okay. Best strategy of any trade is no trade. I mean, respecting its resistance level, but it's not bouncing off as much as Gavon. It's gonna reverse a strong resistance that gave the inverted pin bar. Okay, so Gavon, you think this is about to be shorts? Well, I'm too late, so anyways. It's now 1. Come on. It's why I only placed 2 contracts. So, for those of you that's wondering why, I'm trying really hard today to stop overthinking things. Yeah. Diamante, so you're trying to grab shorts. I'm hoping for potential. Let's see. Back up. I'm hoping it rebounds, and it might not. There's a lot going on. Oopsie, okay. This is not looking ideal right now. But point is, I took it. I took it. Which is a big thing for me. Come on, go a little bit higher. At least take out my partial. Come on. Yeah, Paul, that makes sense. Ukama should reverse. Let's see. Hit that support zone. It might pop down past that support zone now though. It looks like 3 touches already, so down, down, baby. 3. So 3 touches is like the, I don't want to say the rule, but the rule? Come on. Come on, buyers, like a little bit more oomph. Nah, I think this is gonna go down. Ukama, you think so? Let's see. Nah, okay. No point in guessing. We now just... The second one has already respected the first one. It's a bit tricky. Lopa? Sorry, I just read what you said now. I love tech. It's working in channel. Let's see, I think this is gonna be a loss, but it is what it is. Splitox, do you even know what this is? You know, asking for a friend. Oh, rage. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Difference is you don't have a stop loss, so... Thanks, Sam. Strong support and resistance is most valid for 3 touches and then gets broken. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna actually copy paste this. Let me backtest this a little bit. Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna backtest. Thank you. Thank you. Again, guys, I cannot stress enough that the information is awesome. The more you know, right? The more you know. Sam, do I respect you? Yeah, of course. Oh, gosh. Okay. Why don't I try a function called super trend? You can have a look at it. Oh my gosh, my Wi-Fi is shocking today. I'm so sorry. I feel like maybe things are glitchy today as well. If it is, I apologize. It's just one of those today. Come on, respect the auto block. Let's go. Come on. Ooh. Check out the partial at least. Let's go. Hold until that liquidity below gets taken out. Then watch mode. If I have some hot chocolate while trading, it'll make me calm. Hot chocolate sounds amazing, actually. Hot chocolate sounds like thebomb.com. If I'm raging you so much, leave. No one's forcing you to be here. Just saying. Come on. Okay. Let's see. Okay, that would be a fantastic, right? Oh my gosh, that was so close. So close to my partials, but so far. Come on, a little bit more, please. Please. And at least I've taken a partial. Go on then. Go to short again if it goes back to that fair value gap above. Global sell of today, institutions and stock options and futures all day yesterday for nothing. Whoopsie. Okay, there we go. Taken partial. So stop L1. Come on. Okay. Well, we've taken a partial, so that's cool, right? Dumanta, you're disappointed. I'm sorry. London Open didn't get any lower. Aw. Come on, noise. Okay. So, I mean, cool. Cool. The world above. Wait, now that I don't have to worry about this because either it's going to be break even or not, I can do this. This will feel so good. Give me a second. Give me a second. If I can. Ooh, I hope I can. I hope I can. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's, oh my gosh. Give this a minute. Hey, hey. Ah, nice, Solly. Okay. Never mind. Solly got him already. Go on, Solly. Solly, you're being awfully quiet. Are you good? Oh, Wi-Fi is being shocking. Again, I apologize, guys. I apologize if it's a bit chip-choppy today. But theoretically, I feel like this is being a tad bit greedy. The TP should probably be here at this level. Ah, never mind. Okay. Never mind then. Okay, so another partial break even. Wow. Okay, my Wi-Fi is being shocking now. Sorry, guys. Oh, thanks, Tony. You're very, very sweet. I appreciate that. Like I said, I'm not here. Rage? You're the G. Thank you. Thank you. Above that. Yeah, okay. Nice, Gavin. Okay, so I'm glad that I was at least able to take a partial in this. Let's check now. Oh, actually, can I check? I can potentially check. Let me make notes here. Quick sticks. Yeah. Let me make notes here. Let's see if going break even was a mistake or not. Gavin, I know you think it's going to go down, so let's see about that as well. I'm going to do a little and a break even and notes. I should even take out a break even. Let's see what it does. I love tech. I mean, maybe. You said Wi-Fi. You heard Wi-Fi 30. Tony looks like a failed double bottom. Oh no. Let's see. Four got taken out, so 3 touches valid is now snipe broken. Sam, I have a root. Okay. Let's see. I think problem with living in this area, it's a little bit all over the place. Like, we now have a water outage, so that's fun. Okay, thanks, Juicy. Oh, sorry, Solly. Okay, well, okay, point is, let me come back. Let's see if this would have been a win if I didn't move it to break even. I'm gonna head to the stables. Yeah. Yes, Leon, it is. This is the second range. You are correct. So I'm gonna backtest that. That was very interesting. That's actually, I mean, I low-key forward tested it then. But it looks promising, right? It looks promising. I'll hop back on. Oh, damn, here it goes. Looky, looky, Leon, hey? Hello. Okay, I'll hop back on for the New York session, so hopefully I will see you guys there. Yeah. Oh, thanks, Sam. Okay, I'm glad. I'm in the green, not by a lot. I'm gonna start getting more confident and actually putting more cons in, but for now, it's fine. I think the point is today I actually took some trades. No more analysis paralysis, just do it. Okay. I love you guys madly. Thank you for being here with me today. So much fun. So much fun. As always, you guys are amazing. Thank you. I cannot stress enough how much I appreciate you guys. But I'll be back for the New York session. Yes, let's do this. New York session, here we go. Part 2, round 2, whatever you want to call it. And again, guys, if you had fun with me, you guys wouldn't mind pressing that like button. That would be much appreciated. And if you are with any of my affiliated prop firms and you guys want to support by using my code, again, that would be awesome. Thank you. I love you guys madly. See you later. Bye. Guys, sorry, I know I'm randomly back. Sorry. Protea is actually up and running. Protea worked. I'm kind of surprised. But Protea is up and running. So if you guys do want to support, I'm now affiliated with Protea. Which is super cool. Specifically for you. Okay, specifically for you. But yeah, Protea is up and running. It looks awesome. Okay, but I can chat more about it when I'm back later. Okay, love you guys. Bye.